Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the yellow line in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC or laptop, and then import your video into CapCut. After your video has been imported, drag it down to the timeline so you can start editing. Now, as you move your white cursor line across the video timeline, you'll notice a yellow line appears on top of the playhead, and a small preview of the video pops up above the timeline. This is called the preview axis, and while it helps you quickly preview frames, it can slow things down or distract you while editing. To turn it off, look at the preview window. That's the area where your video plays back. In the top right corner of that window, you'll see a small button labeled Preview Axis. Simply click on that button once. As soon as you do that, the yellow line will disappear and the preview box will no longer show up when you move the timeline cursor. Now, when you scrub through your video, you'll get a clean, smooth experience without any pop-up previews. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more editing tips and CapCut tutorials like this one.